everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing marble using alcohol ink. So I am just going to start off using these little alcohol inks I picked up from Michaels. Just on a little tray, I'm just going to put those on there because you're going to want to keep that separate from your alcohol. So on a matted nail, you're going to want to make sure it's matted. I just use the Ugly Duckling matte top coat. You are going to want to take your colors and put them wherever you think you're going to get kind of the best veining. You're going to want to kind of separate these colors and make sure you're cleaning your brush off in between. You want to clean your brush off so that you're not mixing the colors. You want to keep them as separate as possible at this point. So once you have your colors on the nail, you are going to take a little bit of that alcohol and just drop it in small amounts in different parts of the nail. And you'll see that it will start to create this really beautiful veining effect. So very small amounts, and you're just going to dip it in and drop it just very lightly. I tend to go opposite sides and just kind of go back and forth until I get my desired look. It's very quick and simple, and it makes for a very beautiful design. So once that's dry, you are going to want to add a top coat. This top coat, you're going to leave it wet. And your next step, if you are wanting to create kind of a more in-depth look, is going to be taking either a gold or a silver or some other kind of pearlescent fine glitter gel and just taking it ever so lightly, and you are going to vein it into that wet top coat. You're just going to kind of touch it up wherever you like. And just ever so simple, just adding little bits at a time. And you're not going to want to do too much. Less is more. And there you have it. You're going to cure that in the lamp, and then you are completely done this look. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more mini tutorials. Bye.